That's impossible. Well, not for me. And cookies and donuts all. What did you say, Orange? He said cookies and donuts. That's not a weapon. Oh, yeah.
Emergency Alert System has issued a World War IV warning for Cleveland, Ohio, Springfield, Ohio, Dayton, Ohio, and more. Is a war called World War for Russia versus the USA. If you find Russian soldiers, call Joe Biden's phone number 1-385-948-492. This is not a test. North Dakota, Wisconsin, New York, California, and Mississippi. If you live in there, get out and leave. This is a ready system. Is there's a war alert, you will hear letters from keeping you safe. The next alert, there's a missing kid right here. Click OK to skip this EAS. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hide if you can.